A lot of us have this problem where our doggone headlining liner starts coming loose over the years. But the best thing to do is to catch it before it gets worse. And I'm going to get some of that contact cement. Now you don't want the spray kind, it doesn't work very well. So you want to get the really good stuff. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can buy those little small cans of it. Even though you're only going to use very little, it's going to, if it sits around too long, it's going to go bad unless you keep it in a cool place. Anyway, all right, let me grab some. For the stuff like at Ace Hardware, any other hardware store, this is about the best you can get. It's a very strong holding power. So anyway, what we want to do, I'm going to coat both surfaces with a little bit of this glue. Now it's going to work its way through. Oh, by the way, wear gloves. It's going to work its way through, so it's going to stain your headliner a little bit. So that's why you want to try to catch it before it gets worse. So this way it's not going to be seen that much. Now we'll be ready to tack it up. It has to be dry before you want to try to push it up against there for it to seal. The way you can tell if it's dry or not, touch it, and if it doesn't transfer to your finger, then it's dry. But all I'm saying, you want to get it done before it starts getting any worse, because once this stuff starts peeling off, well, golly, it's so hard to stop it. All right, well, good luck.